guys, welcome back to another week of What's for Dinners. We're just gonna jump right in. The first night I was making chicken quesadillas, so I just took some frozen chicken out of the freezer that I had cooked before in the crock pot, and I am just adding some traditional taco seasonings to the chicken. I didn't have a taco packet, which is what I normally do, so I'm just adding some regular taco seasoning to the chicken, and then I'm gonna add just a little bit of water to give it some moisture and let that cook through. Now that the chicken is heated through, I'm gonna move it to a bowl so that I can start assembling my quesadillas. Wanted to try a healthier option for the quesadillas, so I'm just using these flat out flatbreads, and then I'm going to be using this Great Value Chipotle Ranch sauce. This stuff was actually really good. Let me know down below if you have tried it. So here I am just showing you how I am assembling the quesadillas. We just served this up with some steamed broccoli and some scalloped potatoes. My thoughts on these flatbreads, they were very, very grainy, so we did not like them. I think if I do this next time, I'll just use like the carb balanced tortillas or something. But if you like this type of stuff and you're already used to eating it, then it would probably be good. So this next night we are having potato soup. I just threw all of these ingredients together on a whim. I had some potatoes I needed to use up, so I'm just gonna leave the recipe down below. If you make this, please let me know because this was definitely a hit in my house. This next night we are trying a Pinterest recipe. It's called egg roll bowls. So I'm just browning up some hamburger and adding just a little bit of water to it to make it easier to mince. So now I'm just chopping off the white parts of the green onion to add them into the hamburger mixture. I'm gonna go ahead and chop up the rest of the onion and just put those to the side so I can use those as a topping. Now that the hamburger is cooked through, I'm just going to start adding my seasonings. I don't remember exact measurements, but I will leave this recipe linked down below. So as this was cooking, this smelled amazing and the recipe had really good reviews on the website, but let me tell you, it was disgusting. So we ended up having shrimp and fries in the oven. I threw the entire thing away. We decided to support a local business, so we just got some takeout. This is my chicken salad and it has some ranch and pita bread with it. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, please subscribe. Other than that, I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.